Hey guys, welcome back to Joe's Box. Today I'll be doing a lava volcano science experiment. So first, add baking soda. There. So first, first get water. There. Now, next, get 5 drops of food coloring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, get a spoon and then put the baking soda for real. There. Now next, use the single acid in here. So here it is. Sorry if you can't see it because I put my camera in a bag. Okay. Oh, here it is coming. This is starting. It might start soon. When is it gonna start? Oh wait, I know what's going on. We have to put another food color into our pitcher. So let's put it in. There. Then it'll fix our volcano eruption. Oh, here it comes! Oh, snap! Wow. Just wow. Well, that's a wrap for today. See you on the next episode. Bye.